What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mr. Fix It here, and today I'm doing something different. I don't know if you're gonna like it, but I'm kind of doing this video for somebody that needs a little bit of a nudge as far as getting motivated, and I'm kind of doing it to help me because I'm gonna feel like you guys are watching me doing the work as well. So I need to do a good job. And what I'm talking about is actually this right here. Let me flip the camera and show you. This is what I'm talking about, guys. The garage is no more usable. And I've been dreading this moment for a long time because I've been so busy that pretty much started using this as a storage area, and I would just open one of the doors and throw things on the floor and just move on and go and work on something else. But it's gotten to the point where it's really ridiculous, and I need to do something about it. And yeah, I figured this will probably be a good way of doing it is by making a time lapse of me working, and maybe it'll help somebody out there getting motivated to clean up their mess. So yeah, if you like to see the transformation of my garage, well, I guess stick around. And if you do like the content at the end of the video, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and hopefully subscribe and hit the notification bell if you do subscribe, so you don't miss out on any of my other how-to videos where I actually show you how to fix stuff and help you save money. But yeah, guys, so quick little tour of everything that's going on. So yeah, well, wish me luck, and let me go ahead and get started. guys, we did it. Finally got some room so I can get some machines inside the shop and do some work. So let me take you around the corner and you'll see. This was not fun, and I know some of you will say it's still a mess, and you're correct. You're 100% correct. Unfortunately, I'm in the process of building out my shed, so a lot of this stuff, like stuff that I have tile, I have a whole bunch of stuff for my home project, so that's going away. And then I have the engine I need to finish, that's going in my dually. That might be another series, I don't know yet. And then I have a bunch of batteries I need to go through. I have some welders I need to sell and get rid of. This one is waiting on a wheel motor. This one just I pulled in. This one getting a full service. And then I have a pile of boxes and stuff that it actually belongs to a family member that's moving back to Europe. So they're cleaning out their house. So just a bunch of stuff going on. But yes, I know it's still a mess, but I'm happy that I can actually walk into the garage and not trip over stuff. So yeah, this is a progress, guys. Also the Porsche, stay tuned. There's going to be an update on that, why this is still on jack stands and it's not actually on the floor and drivable. There's a pretty good reason for that. But yeah, also my toolboxes, half of my toolboxes are actually at my other garage, at my parents' house. And yeah, all this needs to be organized. This needs to get finished welded and put back on my other mower. This is supposed to go into the house. This big boy needs to get the heck out of here because I don't think I'm even gonna fix it. This was supposed to be a car that I was helping a friend of mine. So he was supposed to purchase this, but one thing led to another, so it turned into a whole another project because there was a bunch of damage. Anyway, that's for another video. So here is another motor for F350 that I might or might not rebuild. It's got blown head gaskets. Yeah, and all my personal lawn care stuff, that's going into the shed as well. So the goal for the garage is actually get it all drywalled in down the road. Get a mini split unit so I have heating and air in here so I can work in here year round. And the ultimate goal is knock a hole in this back wall, and I'm actually currently looking into pouring a slab behind it and then knock a portion of this wall out and have like a drive-through into another extension of this garage. So this will be 2-car deep, and hopefully the other side that I'm planning on building out, I'm gonna do a higher ceiling so I can put a full-size lift in there. And I'm hoping to get a one of those, what do you call it, Max Jack, I believe it was the company. So get one of those 2-post Max Jack lifts so I can have a lift that goes up to at least the ceiling, so I can use that for the mowers and I can use that for my car project. But this is the goal for that, and then resurfacing and redoing the whole floor, making it look all nice and neat, have everything organized. Planning on this side of the garage will be probably the home for the 911. My motorcycles, yes, I do have motorcycles which are also projects, and that's for another video, but it's a project because it's sat in storage for a long time. But back to the garage, this area is going to be the home for the 911. My motorcycles have a bunch of cabinets on the back wall possibly, and some shelves for like car care products and all kinds of good stuff. Then have like a bunch of other outlets, and maybe I'll throw a bench somewhere around here, since this is gonna be the work area. This is gonna be the chill area, so for the car and for me somewhere if I can actually spare some room. But yeah guys, this is a little quick tour of the garage, and this is what I'm planning on doing down the road. So I hope you did stay till the end and actually enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like, subscribe, hit notification bell, and come back for these kinds of videos where I actually repair, fix stuff. But tell me down in the comments, tell me what do you think of this video? Did you enjoy it? Would you like to see me do more videos like this? Because I'll tell you, there's a bunch of more organizing that I need to do around the house and in my yard as well. So I got a bunch of other stuff we need to tidy up. So I can do other videos in between my repair videos, where you guys get to work with me in a sense, or watch me work. And that way you get a little behind the scenes and see what's in the works, what are we going to be what's going to be coming to the channel down the road. So my bike is going to be coming to the channel down the road. That needs a complete, pretty much, overhaul. Like I said, it's been sitting for a long time, so that's going to be a project on its own. Porsche is still in the works, but yeah, I'm going to be putting soon, hopefully, some other projects where I'm going to be doing some building, like around the garage. Like I said, I'm planning on doing an extension, pouring some concrete and stuff like that. And so yeah, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys enjoy that kind of videos, if you would actually enjoy watching on my channel, or you're just not interested. But either way, let me know. All right, with that being said, I hope you did enjoy the video and you stuck around until the end of it. If you did, you know what to do. And as always, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll see you soon.